I'm making the best blueberry mead ever. And to do that, I need to find the best blueberries I can find. Turns out, some of the greatest blueberries in the world are just a few hours away from my hometown, in Saguenay, Lac-Saint-Jean. These aren't your boring supermarket blueberries. Nope, these are the legendary Saguenay Lac-Saint-Jean wild blueberries. And every single one of them was handpicked by me. I actually had to pay a guy to access his land, and it was covered with endless blueberry bushes. The only catch? He told me to watch out for bears. So what makes these berries so special? Well, actually, they're not even the same species as regular blueberries. They're smaller, but don't be fooled. Some scientists say that one of these little guys pack the flavor of 10 normal blueberries. The reason you never see them in stores, they spoil way too fast. So if you want them, you've gotta go straight to the source. A kilo of wild berries, a kilo of Canada's finest honey, MO5 mead yeast, water, a fermenter, and some other stuff. First, I dump all the honey in, that's our main sugar source. Then goes most of the water. Now for the berries, I threw them in the blender and absolutely destroyed them. Gotta squeeze out all those juices. I'm using a mesh bag to hold the crushed berries. It keeps the flavor in, but the pulp out. Clean and simple. I had to do 2 rounds of blending to crush all those berries. Let me tell you, closing that bag was a struggle. I tried mixing the honey with the water, but I quickly gave up. Turns out, they don't really want to mix. So I went on and dumped our yeast and our yeast nutrients. Closed it up, gave it the best shake I could, popped the airlock on, and just like that, it was good to go. It's day 2 and it already cleared up like crazy. Fermentation is booming, guys. Look at this. The crust is almost leaving through the airlock. By day 10, the fermentation had slowed down, so I figured it was the perfect time to add the pectic enzyme. That stuff makes sure our mead is nice and clear. So I kind of messed up, guys. Let me explain. So I started the mead like 3 months ago. Fermentation's completely stalled about 8 weeks ago. The crucial mistake, the crushed berry bag is still inside, and according to experts, that could completely change the flavor or even ruin the whole batch. Bottling time. So I spilled a bit of mead, but it's not that bad. On the bright side, check this out. I managed to get almost all the juice out. Guys, look at this color. It looks like a proper red wine. Oh, it kind of smells like a red wine, but I can already tell that it's super strong. I didn't take a gravity reading, so I have no clue, but it's up there. Let's try it. Oh my god, it's good. No shot. It's really good. Super strong. You definitely feel the burn. You taste the fruit. It's not sweet though, so I could like add sweetness and something to stop fermentation, but man, it's pretty on point as it is. But man, that color is gorgeous. You guys also look at the length of my hair, man. It's getting crazy. If you compare this at the start of the video, you can definitely tell like it's been a couple months. Took 2 sips and I'm feeling it, dude. Ooh.